Alright everyone, welcome, and I'm not going to waste your time by doing a silly intro. So let's just create a server, cross-platform server.
So here we are in a browser. Couple of things I want you guys to know. First, a server is basically, just in case you don't know, something you can connect to play with other players. First we gotta create a server, but for free, using a website called Aternos. This isn't a server which you can just join at any time. You gotta switch it on first, because we're doing it for free. So you'll have to switch it on before joining, but that's alright, because when you're playing or when your friend's playing, you can just switch it on and then the person can join. So once you enter this site, you can just hit play. Be redirected to the sign up page. I recommend that you don't hit the sign up, you just sign in with Google and then choose one of your Google accounts. Then you can hit create, which will create a server for you. I recommend you select Java edition, because we're going to make it cross-platform anyways. So you can select Java edition and then create. You can even edit that information right there by hitting the pencil. But now you want to do a couple of things to make it actually cross-platform. So now what you want to do to make it cross-platform is you want to go to software. And to make it cross-platform, you need to actually install a plugin. So you need to make the server software. You need to find this paper bucket. First you need to click software, then paper bucket / bucket. Make sure it's PAPER, because there's another one which is PUPER, but it's not the correct one. So you hit the version you want, then you can just hit install, wait for a few seconds, and when the tick shows up, that means you're done. Now for the actual plugin, so you get another tab like this called plugins. So you click that and then you get something like this. You want to search for Geyser, GEYSERMC. So you get these two, and then you can just hit Geyser MC right there, and then click the download button. It will take a few seconds, and then once you get the tick mark right there, there we go, that is done. The last thing you need to do, and this is also quite crucial, otherwise the Bedrock players will not be able to join. So you want to go to the server page, main server page, and then you want to hit connect, the white color button, and then you'll get the IP and the port. So what you want to do is copy the port right there. You can just right click and copy, or just hit Ctrl C, and then you want to go into files, to the server files, plugins, Geyser-Spygod. Then you want to click config.yml, so it's the config file it uses for configuration. And then you'll see port on line 15, so make sure you get that number out of there. Make sure there's a space in between here, and then you want to hit Ctrl V, or just right click and paste. So that is done for the config file, so you can just hit save. And yeah, that's somewhat it. Now you can just hit server, and then you can start your server and join it.
So here I am on Bedrock edition, and I'm going to show you how to actually join a server. So you press play, and then go to servers, and then you find an add server here or below here. So I have it up here, then you just press add server, then you type any server name, whatever you want to call it, the server address and the port. Now the server address and the port is on the main page of the server, so I have it actually already here, so mine's already there. So you press save and then join the server. And as you will see, it will take a few seconds to just join the server which we just created. And anytime now. Here we go, we have loaded on a cross-platform server right here from Bedrock Edition. So as we can see, Bedrock Edition works perfectly fine on the server. Now let's go and test our Java Edition and see.
So here we are in the Java edition of Minecraft, and I am going to show you how to join our server which we just created from here. So you can just go into the multiplayer, then you can click add server, type in any name which you want, and then you can just paste your IP in, which you can get from the main server page. Then hit done, you just click this join button, and then you should be joining the world pretty quickly. And yeah, I don't know how I died there, but alright, it's a little laggy, but yeah.